Hello my dear students, good morning to all. Welcome back to Google Classroom. In this session we will discuss about some extension of distance formula. In the last session we already discussed distance formula, but in this session we will discuss some extensions of distance formula and exercise 7.1 some more questions. So we can start our today's session now. As point 1, distance between the point and the origin. How we can find the distance between a point and the origin. In the exercise 7.1 second question we already discussed that we find using the distance formula. But here we have to find another formula, direct formula for finding the distance between a point and the origin. That will be equal to root of x square plus y square, where x and y are the coordinates of the point. Okay, then in this case no need to bother about the coordinates of origin. Clear? So that exercise 7.1 second question we can do by this method also. Directly substitute the values of the coordinates of the point and get the answer. So the distance between the point and the origin is equal square root of sum of the squares of the coordinates of the point. Square root of sum of the squares of the coordinates of the point. Okay. So that second question we can do by this method also. Now the next question, exercise 7.1, question number 8. Find the values of y for which the distance between the points P 2, -3 and Q 10y is 10 units. That means distance between the 2 points P and Q is given as 10 units. The coordinates of P is given as 2, -3 and coordinates of Q is given as 10y. Here one of the value is unknown, that is y. So that unknown value we have to find. According to the question, distance between these 2 points P and Q is given as 10 units. The coordinates of P is given as 2, -3 and the coordinates of Q is given as 10, y. Okay, here y is the unknown. That value we have to find. Distance between these two is given as 10 units. So we can understand that here we have to use the distance formula. Okay, so first of all we will write the distance formula for finding the distance between P and Q. But here it is already given that the distance between PQ is 10 units. So here we have to write PQ equal 10 units. So we can write the equation root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square equal 10. So here x1 2, x2 10, y1 -3, y2 is y. x1, y1, x2, y2 that we want to substitute in this equation. That is equal root of 10 minus 2 the whole square plus y minus -3 the whole square equal 10. Then we have to remove the square root symbol. To remove the square root symbol, we have to take the square on both sides. Square on both sides. Then this square root symbol can be removed, but here square will come. So that is equal 8 square plus y minus -3 become y plus 3 whole square equal 10 square. How we get the step? We took square on both sides. Now we have to expand this bracket by using the identity a plus b whole square. That is equal here 64 plus a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square equal 100. Then 64 plus y square plus 2 into 3, 6, 6y plus 9. We can transpose that 100 to here. Then that is equal 0. Then here we can write the simplest form. So first we can write y square, then 6y. Then numbers can be combined. 64 plus 9. 64 plus 9 is 73. 73 minus 100 is negative 27. That will be equal 0. Here we have to find the value of y. But here we got the quadratic formula, quadratic equation. So we have to use any method to solve this quadratic equation. Here I select the quadratic formula. From this equation we can find the value of a as 1, b is 6 and c is the constant negative 27. Then we have to find the discriminant b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac, that is equal 6 square minus 4 into 1 into negative 27. This is equal 36 plus 108. Negative into negative, positive. 4 into 27, 108. This is equal 144. Okay, here discriminant is greater than 0. So there will be 2 roots. Okay. Then how we will get that value of y? Y equal negative b plus or minus root d by 2a. That is equal negative 6 plus or minus root 144 by 2 into 1. So here this is equal negative 6 plus or minus 12 by 2. Here we will get two values, negative 6 plus 12 by 2 or negative 6 minus 12 by 2. This will be equal 6 by 2 equal 3 or negative 18 by 2 equal negative 9. Therefore, the value of y equal 3 or negative 9. This we have to find. We need to find the value of y in this question. So, here we got y equal 3 or negative 9. Now, the question number 9. If Q01 is equidistant from P 5 negative 3 and R x6, find the values of x. Also find the distances QR and PR. So according to the question, there are 3 points Q, P and R. Out of these 3 points, Q is the point which is equidistant from P and R. Then there will be an unknown, that is x. So first we will find the value of x. Then we should find the distances QR and PR. According to the question, P, Q and R are the 3 points. Q is equidistant from P and R. The coordinates are given, but one is unknown, that will be x. So first of all we have to find the value of x. Then we should find the distances PR and QR. Okay. According to the question, Q is equidistant from P and R. That means PQ equal RQ. PQ equal RQ. Or we can write QP equal QR. Anyway we can mention. So here we can mention QP equal QR. So we should write the distance formula for both, but the values are different. Okay. For this QP, x1 is 0, y1 is 1. x1 is 0, y1 is 1. Then x2 is 5, x2 is 5 and y2 is negative 3. Okay, but in this case, QR, x1 is 0, y1 is 1, then x2 is x, y2 is 6, x1, y1, x2, y2. Then we will substitute that values. Then we will get 5 minus 0 the whole square plus negative 3 minus 1 the whole square equal x minus 0 the whole square plus 6 minus 1 the whole square. That we can simplify, and we have to remove this square root symbol. Both sides square root symbols are there. So to remove this square root symbol from both sides, we should take the square on both sides. Okay, should take the square on both sides. So we can remove this square root symbol from both sides. So when we taking the square on both sides, this root symbol can be avoided. Then 5 minus 0 is 5, so 5 square plus negative 3 minus 1 negative 4 whole square equal x minus 0 x square, 6 minus 1 square 5 square. Okay. Then here we can remove this 5 square from both sides because same type of numbers with the same symbol. So we can cut them because when we transpose them, that will be 0. Okay. So what will be remaining? Negative 4 square, that is 16 equal x square. So what will be x? X equal root 16. So x equal root 16, and that is equal plus or minus 4. So here the first section or first part of the question is over. Find the value of x. We got the value of x as plus or minus 4. That means positive 4 or negative 4. Then what is the second part of the question? Find the distances QR and PR. So first we can find QR by distance formula. X2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Its square root we should find. So for finding QR, x1 is 0, y1 is 1, x2 is x, y2 is 6. So these values we should substitute. So we get x minus 0 the whole square plus 6 minus 1 the whole square. That will be equal x square plus 5 square. If the value of x is positive 4 or negative 4, this x square becomes 16 itself. Okay, so 16 plus 25, that is equal root of 41 units. So the distance QR equal root 41 units. In this case, when we give x as positive 4 or negative 4, we get the same value because x square become positive 16 in both cases. Okay, so for this QR is equal root 41 units. Next we have to find the distance PR. For that also we can use the distance formula. But in the case of PR, x1 is 5, x2 is x, y1 is negative 3, y2 is 6. x1 5, y1 negative 3, x2 x, y2 6. So we have to substitute that values. That is root of x minus 5 whole square plus 6 minus 3 the whole square. That will be equal x minus 5 the whole square plus 9 square. 6 minus 3 equal 6 plus 3, that is 9. Okay, now we have to give the value of x as positive 4. First we can give the value of x as positive 4. Then PR equal 4 minus 5 the whole square plus 9 square. Root of 4 minus 5 the whole square plus 9 square. 4 minus 5 is negative 1. So negative 1 square plus 9 square. Negative 1 square is 1 plus 81. Root of 82 units. If we give the value of x as 4, then we got PR as root 82. Then we have to give the value of x as negative 4. Then PR equal, in this step we have to give the value of x as negative 4. So root of negative 4 minus 5 whole square plus 9 square. Negative 4 minus 5 means negative 9 square plus 9 square. Negative 9 square is positive 81. This 9 square is also 81. Then we can write it as 2 into 81. Root of 2 into 81. That means root 81 is 9. Then root 2 is root 2 itself. So 9 root 2 units. When we give the value of x as negative 4, then PR equal 9 root 2. When we give the value of x as positive 4, then PR equal root 82. Okay, so these are the answers of the question number 9. Exercise 7.1 question number 9.